Sitting in front of a camera and talking just increases my anxiety. I've never been super comfortable with it, but there are some strategies that I've adopted that have really helped me get more comfortable over time talking in front of the camera. I am an introvert, so by my very nature, I'm a little more reserved, a little more private, don't like to talk too much, especially in large groups, not extremely outgoing and social. The camera is different because it really should be treated more like a diary. But at first I didn't think of it that way. I thought of it as kind of this platform where I'm putting myself out there for lots of people to, see and judge, and it's another form of talking in public, which I'm terrified of. Most people are, but me specifically, really bad. And I actually in high school had to take a special class for public speaking because I was that scared to do it. And it was a required course. It just freaking sucked. You can overcome it. You can get more comfortable speaking your mind, speaking your truth, and doing this, either a side hustle, creative outlet, or maybe potentially one day full-time income. So the first tip is talk to the camera like it's your friend. Don't think of it as a camera. Imagine it's your best friend. Think of it as something familiar. Milk's $8, bud. I don't know how people do it. I mean, I guess I don't need milk, but I like cereal. It'll make you more comfortable. The more you treat the camera like someone who you already love and who gets you, the easier it's going to be to just relax. Step 2, embrace awkwardness. Being awkward isn't a bug. It's a feature. Own it. Own who you are. Hey guys. That's not good. Practice when no one can see you. Talk to your camera like it's your diary, as I mentioned. I think this is a really critical piece. Just have it on. It doesn't even have to be recording, but have it around you and just talk out loud. Even that is tricky. Like, I'm not someone who talks out loud to myself. I internalize everything and, it turns into overthinking and, anxious thoughts and all that kind of shit. But you can do this where you just have it around you and you practice the art of talking. Just talking out loud, talking out your thoughts. And it's a very authentic way to speak. And eventually, once you press that record button, you can make it so that it's just you and the camera. It's just you and something familiar. It's just you and yourself. And, if you're an introvert, you can definitely talk to yourself. Talk about random stuff. Pretend you're auditioning for a reality TV show. I don't know. Just get used to seeing yourself on screen. Last tip, make it fun. Use props, costumes, whatever. It helps you loosen up. In the beginning, you can do that. Fun equals less stress. And if you're having fun, your audience will too. At the end of the day, the secret is really just starting. We get so afraid of the negative outcomes that we don't even think to consider the positive ones. Nobody's perfect on day one. Nobody's perfect ever. And that's okay. You're gonna really cringe at your early videos. That's how you grow, and everyone goes through it. So let that little introverted superstar shine. Press record, just do it. Trust me, the world is ready for you, the unique you. If you need some encouragement, comment below. I'm here to support you. I'll be over here pretending my camera's a golden retriever, or maybe just Merlin. Stay awkward, stay consistent. Got this. Till next time, take care. Bye-bye.